Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Prince. My name is Deepak. I'm going to teach you all 9 subjects of physical science in detail. My course is going to help all the students who are preparing for CSIR-NET, GATE, SET exam, NT exam, PhD exam and other exams related to physics. So today I'm going to teach you uh, mathematical physics PYQs of CSIR-NET. Okay, and before that I would like to thank you all subscribers who subscribed my channel and supported me, and because of that now I'm able to take live classes. It is the first live class which I'm taking. Okay, and this is the first live class, and also this is the first time I'm using pentab setup. Okay, so guys, I'm going to start. So I'll start with question number first. Okay, the question number first is the value of guys, I'm writing for the first time in pentab, so I apologize for the handwritings. By the time I'll be habitual, and then the handwriting will get improved. So the value of the integration is given, that is z square e to the power z dz. Okay, this is the integration. where where c is c is an open contour in the complex in the complex z plane as shown in the figure, as shown in the figure below is. Okay, options are given. I'll draw figure as well. Okay, options are 5 upon e plus e. Option B is e minus 5 upon e. Option C is 5 upon e minus e, and option D is 5 upon e minus e. Okay, these are the options, and the figure is given. First time writing on pentab, so it's little bit tough, but by the time I'll be habitual. So I'm going to make a figure. This is Okay, this is the real axis. This is imaginary axis. Okay, and I'll use different color for it. And this is the contour which is given. Okay, so the coordinates are 1 comma 0, and this is -1. So I'm going to solve it. So here we know there is a Cauchy integral theorem, right? That is, for any closed contour, the integration about closed contour is 0 if there are no poles. Okay, so we can take this line as well as a closed contour, but we need to find out value of this contour C. Okay, this is the contour C. Okay, so I'm going to solve it. So we need to find out the integration z square e to the power z. This is contour z square e to the power z dz plus integration -1 to 1 z square e to the power z, that is going to be 0. Okay, this is the Cauchy integral. This we have done by Cauchy integral theorem. Okay, so for this integration is this one, this one, this one, -1 to 1 z square e to the power z. Okay, and this is dz, and here it will be also dz. Okay, so this is going to be contour integration z square e to the power z dz. It is going to be, so we'll use integration by part and solve it. Okay, we'll take minus as a common. So by integration part we'll use that is going to be e to the power z square into e to the power z minus 2z e to the power z plus 2 e to the power z, integration -1 to 1. This is the integration by part we have done. Okay, so now we'll put the value. So it is going to be -1. We'll put the limit. Okay, this we know the integration by part, right? First function integration of second minus second minus integration differentiation of the first and second function, right? So there are two times we have done it. So now we'll put the value. So this is going to be e to the power 1. Then we'll keep the minus limit. So it is going to be z square, that is 1 square e to the power -1 minus 2 -1 e to the power -1. Again, this is going to be minus, sorry, it is going to be minus 2 e to the power -1. We have here kept the limit. Okay, so this is plus, this will be plus. Okay, so now we are going to proceed further. So it is going to be integration z square e to the power z dz contour integration, it is going to be equal to, we'll keep this value, so minus okay, we're going next case. So this is e, this is going to be e, so e to the power 1 we can write as e minus, this is going to be minus 2 e to the power minus 2e minus 2e, okay, and this is going to be here minus e minus 2e minus plus 2e, okay, okay, so it is going to be, after solving, this is going to be plus 2 e to the power minus 1 plus 2 e to the power minus 1 plus e to the power minus 1, okay, so this is going to be minus, and this is going to be, this will get cancelled, and this is going to be, this is 1, right, so it's 1, so it is going to be e minus, these will get added, so it is 5 upon e minus e. Well, so this is the one, these are the minus value, sorry, these are minus, my apology, okay, so these are minus going to be plus, and this is 1, so 5 upon e minus e is the answer, okay, so here, which option is going to be correct? The option number C, 5 upon e minus 1, okay. So this is the question number first we have solved. So now we are going to solve next question, question number 2. We take complete page, and it is, let A and B be, let A and vector A and vector B be two distinct, be two distinct, be two distinct three-dimensional vector, three-dimensional three-dimensional vector, three-dimensional vector, then then to A perpendicular to A is given by is given by options are given. Option number A. Option number A is A cross B cross A upon A into B upon B square. Option D is B dot A upon A square into vector A. Okay, so this is the question which is given. Okay, so we are going to solve it. So question is, let A and B uh, let A and B let A and B be two distinct three-dimensional vectors. So we have been given two vectors in three dimensions, and then the component of B. So we need to find the component of B that is perpendicular to A. So we need to find out the component of B that is perpendicular to A, right? That's what we need to find. So I'll use next page for this. I'll make a figure. So suppose this is the vector A, and this is the vector B. Okay, this is the vector B. So this is going to be perpendicular vector. This is going to be perpendicular vector. Okay, so this is vector A and this is vector B. So this is going to be perpendicular component of B, a perpendicular component of B, right? So this is going to be B sine theta. Okay, so this vector we need to find out. B sine theta, and this is going to be B sine theta k cap. Okay, so that's what is the question. This is the question, right? A and B, two distinct three-dimensional vectors. Then the component of B you need to find out that is perpendicular to A. Okay, so the component of vector B that is perpendicular to A. So this is the perpendicular vector, and the value of this is B sine theta k cap, that we need to find out. Because A and B are two vectors, right? So we can write, we know the cross product of AB is going to be AB sine theta, that is going to be n cap, where n cap is the vector, which is perpendicular to plane containing A cross B, right? That we know by the definition of vector cross product, right? So now we need to solve it according to answers which are given, right? These are the answers which are given, and we need to solve it and select correct answer. So from here, what we can do is we can do multiply by vector A, and we can do cross product by vector A on both sides. Okay, from left hand side. So it is going to be A cross B, it is going to be, let me erase it, it's actually, I'll write it again. So it is going to be, we are doing cross product by A on both sides. A cross B is going to be A cross AB sine theta n cap. So it is going to be cross A cross B, and this is going to be A square B. It is a vector, okay? A square B sine theta, and it is going to be A cross n cap, we can write. And okay, so it is going to be A cross B is going to be A square B minus sine theta. This is going to be K cap, okay? This is going to be A square B, because A cross n cap is going to be minus K cap, okay? Perpendicular one. Okay. So now we'll find the value of that perpendicular vector of A, that is B sine theta K cap. It is going to be minus A cross B upon A square, right? But in our options there is no negative sign, right? So we can write B sine theta K cap. Value of this is going to be A cross B cross A. According to answer we have to according to options we have a product, vector cross product, so it is going to be minus B cross A. Okay, so this is the answer, and which option is matching, so we'll check which option is matching. So option number A is matching, A cross B cross A upon A square. Okay, so this is the answer of this question, guys. I hope, guys, you are able to understand it. Okay, issue actually, there is some error I'm getting, but still I'll take this class. Just let me check what error I'm getting. It was working fine actually this time. Okay. So guys, due to there is error I'm getting, so I have to end the class. So remaining thing we'll do in next class, because there is error which I'm getting, so that's why I'm ending the class. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching the video, and now I will I will try to take 2 to 3 classes every day. In 2 classes I will teach you theory part. Most probably I'm going to teach I will start with mathematical physics and quantum mechanics, and in third class I will solve PYQs of NET. Okay, thank you, guys, thank you so much. I'm ending the class now.